Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video. I hope you are doing great and I am super fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. You are watching that I have come to my cornfield again. Can you imagine why I have come to my cornfield? Yes, you can. I have come to my cornfield because I have to cut this corn plant, and after cutting this I will take it to my house and will make a heap in front of my house because this corn plant is burn well in the cooker. That's why I will cut this corn plant and take it to my house. Most of the farmers cut their corn plant for using in the rainy season, and I will also use it rainy season because there are shorts of luck in the rainy season. That's why I will cut and to make a heap in front of my house. Okay, you are watching that today's weather is very sticky, and I am sweetening in this morning, and it's around 8:30 a.m. and it's a low winter morning, and there is light fog everywhere, and most of the farmers don't come still now in their farm, and only I am standing among this field, and I can't see any farmer around to me. Dear viewers, please leave a comment in the comment box, and like, and don't forget to share my video. And if you are new in my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my channel. If you do this, it will help me to make video. It encourages me to make video, and please keep me in your prayer. No more today. See you again in another video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.